hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey! Mr. Smith here. I'm walking around, I'm in Paris, France. Wow! That's the Arc de Triomphe. Walking some more. Man, it's the Eiffel Tower. And you know, the last thing I'm going to see, I'm going to the Louvre Museum. And do you know what's there? The most famous painting in the world. That's right, I'm talking about the Mona Lisa by Leonardo Da Vinci. And in honor of my visit to Paris, I'm going to show you just how easy it would be for you to create a paper bag puppet of Mona Lisa. So get your paper, get your pencils, get anything you need to make this puppet, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All you have to do is just watch. I'm taking a piece of paper, I fold it in half. I am going to draw a semicircle. I'm going to cut this out for her face. Now I'm going to split it in two, because when you make a paper bag puppet, you have to use the bottom of the bag. It helps to make the puppet look like it's talking. Now, with Mona Lisa, one of the things you got to remember is her trademark hair. She has this wavy hair and this part in the middle. But did you know she's missing something on her face? Something that was style of the time? Eyebrows. Women of the Renaissance period did not have eyebrows, and Mona Lisa does not have eyebrows. While I'm cutting this out, let me just tell you, Mona Lisa was created by Leonardo Da Vinci, one of the most famous Renaissance artists. A lot of people remember him because he was also one of the Ninja Turtles. Anyway, I'm putting the face together. When you're working on things like this, it's kind of like putting puzzle pieces together. You got to cut all the different pieces, fit them together, see if they work right. You don't want to glue them down too soon. You want to see how they look. And then after I see if they look all right, feels good to me, I got a likeness of the person I'm trying to create or the character I'm trying to create, then I'll start gluing them together. But I got to make sure all the pieces work right first. I got to cut them, fit some underneath, some over top. As you see, I'm working with her hair, trying to get these lips right. Now I'm laying her nose down in there and the whites of her eyes. Then I got to put the corneas and then the pupils. Sometimes I feel like a doctor, I'm operating. Now I got everything apart. Now it's time to glue everything together. I like using this purple glue, especially when I'm working in school on a camera, because my kids can see it clearly. Trying to fix her hair. Got it in little parts. Now I'm also a hairstylist. I'm cutting inside, I'm curling the hair. Then I'm going to even pull out my pencils to make it look like her hair is shimmering. But I gotta glue all these parts down, make everything look just right, put it in the right place, because we gotta have Mona Lisa looking like the painting, the most famous painting in the world. Do you know where you can see the Mona Lisa? It's in Paris, France, the Louvre Museum. I had the pleasure of going there many, many years ago, but now she resides in this glass case, which is behind barriers, because they're so afraid that someone's going to do something to her or steal her. Now, anyway, I'm putting a neck on, trying to get her neckline right. Then, not only am I a hairstylist, I'm going to be a fashion designer, because I'm going to try to put together the different parts of her wardrobe. She has this gown which she wears, and it kind of has these ruffly wrinkles. I'm going to start doing some folds in that so it looks like it's, see, got those ruffly wrinkles. And then she has this real dark black cloak kind of thing that goes over her shoulders. And I'm getting real close. getting real close to being there. You see I got her hair curling and everything. She looks almost like she's ready to start talking. Gotta fit this clothing and curl it and cut it and get it in there just right. Like I said, you gotta piece everything together first, and then after you piece it together, you can finally glue it down. Now I'm just putting some shadows in, outlining her lips, doing a few things to her skin. I'm adding some more lines to her hair so it starts to have that shimmering like wavy effect. Mona's almost there. Still trying to get everything just right, but I think she's going to be able to talk to you soon, and maybe she might even meet. Oh, there's a puppet friend. It's Scream. Oh my goodness. Here he goes. Ah! He's screaming. She gonna say something? She's gonna say something. You know what she's gonna say? Hi, I'm Mona Lisa. Hi, Mona Lisa. Hi, I'm Scream. Ah! He's screaming. She's screaming. I'm Mona Lisa. I'm Mona Lisa. Come back and see me next time. I got one more. I got the biggest star of all next week. Come see me.